How to get $100 ASOS promo code. For this, open up a browser that you prefer on your mobile device or in your PC. In the search bar, search for coupon follow and give it a search. Tap on the first suggestion shown to you. Tap on the search bar and search for ASOS. You can type in asos.com as well. Right here, you can enter email address and tap on Get Alert to never miss out any coupons or offers from ASOS. Now here you will find various of coupons. Tap on the one that you find interesting and tap on Copy. If you want to use the instance, tap on Redeem at ASOS, where you will be redirected to its official homepage. Now how to redeem the promo code. First step is to sign in to your account. Once you are signed in, go ahead and purchase some of the items. Once you are done shopping, tap on the bag option at the very top. When you tap on it, you will find your grand total, and there you will be able to find a promo code option given to you. You just have to go ahead and enter the promo code that you copied, or the chances are the promo code is already applied. It will be in the form of credit or discount, or it will just say promo code added. Then all you have to do is tap on checkout and enter your payment method. And just like that, you'll be able to redeem your promo code as well. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.